Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting essential documents so you can file immediately. Bring the original caste certificate, current ID and address proof, plus passport photos. Also have the legal proof of your name change, an affidavit, marriage certificate, or gazette notification, and copies ready for submission. Once done, you should draft a concise application stating the requested change and reasons, sign it, and prepare a self-attested set of photocopies. This prevents delays at the first counter. You go to the TESOL/SDM office or the designated OBC/SC/SD cell and hand in your application with originals for verification. Make sure to keep copies self-attested. Pay the prescribed fee and any processing charge. Ask about expected turnaround time and note the officer's name. Once the clerk gives you an acknowledgement or receipt, keep it safe because it contains the reference number you'll use to track progress. If any document is missing, the receipt will specify what to add. You collect the revised caste certificate from the office when your file is cleared. Inspect it immediately to confirm the exact name spelling, caste notation, dates, and official signatures. If there's a discrepancy, request correction on the spot and note the correction slip. If processing stalls beyond the promised period, escalate to the Tehsildar or file an RTI after 30 days to obtain status. One troubleshooting tip: if documents are rejected, correct the specific deficiency, then resubmit with the rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.